Did you ever wonder why efficient watering systems are crucial for your garden? Their importance cannot be overstated. An efficient watering system is akin to hitting a gardening jackpot. It saves precious water, a resource we should all strive to conserve. It also saves time, a luxury in our fast-paced lives. But most importantly, it promotes healthier and more robust plant growth. So, an efficient watering system is a win-win for you and your plants. Get ready to create your own efficient watering system in a few easy steps. Let's embark on this journey together, starting with the basics. You'll need a few materials, a sturdy garden hose, some reliable sprinklers, and connectors to bring it all together. Now let's dive into the planning stage. It's crucial to understand your garden's layout. Consider the types of plants, their water needs, and the sun exposure they receive. Once you've got your plan, it's time for installation. Attach your sprinklers to the hose using the connectors, strategically placing them to cover all areas of your garden. The final step is testing. Turn on the water and observe. Are all areas getting sufficient water? Make adjustments as needed. It's a process of trial and error, but don't worry, you've got this. With these steps, you can have your DIY irrigation system up and running in no time. If you found this video helpful and want more gardening tips, remember, a single click on that like button can make a world of difference. To keep these green thumb secrets coming your way, do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening!